Hey, this is Chris, and welcome to your Business Bud. On this video, I'll share advanced copywriting secrets number 12 and 13. But first, if you're new to this channel and you'd like to know more about how to make money online, I'll be sharing tips and strategies about copywriting, internet marketing, and affiliate marketing that will gonna help you leapfrog to the next level. I know it's so challenging, especially when you're just starting out, and it makes it even harder when you cannot get enough support and tips. So click that subscribe button and hit that bell, because I promise you, together we can. On my last video, I shared to you advanced copywriting secret number 10, create scarcity, and number 11, unique guarantees. If you haven't watched any of the advanced copywriting secrets, just click the upper right notification now and discover them. I'll also leave the links on the description below. And as we are going through this, I'd love to hear what you agree with, what you don't agree with, any questions that you might have, any suggestions as to how I can better serve you. Just let me know on the comment section down below. So without further ado, advanced copywriting secret number 12, tell them the next action. This is as simple as it sounds. Tell them the next action to take. You gotta tell them what to do. Don't assume. You gotta be very, very clear. That means making it easy for them to buy and take action. Literally tell them, click this button, click this link, click add to cart. You gotta make it very clear. Have you ever experienced it before? You go to a website and you like the product or what they're offering. You're ready to buy, but you cannot find the buttons to click or what to do next to buy, right? You are so ready, you have your credit card out, and you're like, I want to buy this, but where do I click? Where do I go? How can I buy this? Then you're like, forget it. It's crazy. I cannot tell you how many times I've seen this. It was just like I'm putting so much efforts just to figure out the damn way for me to buy the product. Don't do that. Make it easy to buy. Make it obvious where to click and what to do next. People are impatient. Don't make it difficult. Just like what Amazon did. I shared that with you on my last video, that they have what they called one-click buy. It is so smart. Amazon is saying, I don't want you to enter your credit card number again and again. Let us securely store your credit card info so you don't have to re-enter it when you make purchases. Just one click and buy. People want to buy. Make it easy for them to do that. Look at this example from a website called Opt-in Monster. They sell tools for helping site owners increase their conversion rates and generate more leads. But they know that most people won't be ready to buy, to sign up for their plans during their first visit to the site. So they offer this free guide that's directly related to its product. Look at how clear and simple they did it. They say, enter your name here, enter your email here, and download now. See how the download now stood out with its green box? You want to make it so obvious that even an 8-year-old can figure it out. Again, make it simple, clear, and tell them what to do. Don't make them work for it. Here's the last secret. Advanced copywriting secret number 13, consequences of not buying. This is my favorite one. Talk about the consequences of not buying from you. This is especially effective when you're selling high-ticket products or offers. Because whenever you're selling high-ticket, people are always thinking about, okay, this $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, $25,000 is a lot of money. So to close that, anyone who's buying high-ticket, they always have a weighing scale in their mind where they are thinking, if I buy this, what are the risks I'm taking? What if it doesn't work? Because most people, they have low self-esteem. Assuming that you have established your credibility with your audience, most people, they don't buy not because they don't believe in you. Most people don't buy because they don't believe in themselves. They don't believe it will work for them. They don't believe they can make it work. They don't believe they can do this. So how do you overcome that? You need to tell them of some pain and inform them what are the consequences of not buying. So don't just tell them what are the good things they're going to get when they buy. Tell them what happens if they don't buy. What will happen if they don't buy your product or service? What problem do you solve? Most of the time, assuming that they already know you, that you are already credible in their eyes, they know that what you offer works. They know that once they buy that product, once they join that high-ticket program for, let's say, Top Affiliate Marketers Bootcamp, for example, everything is going to change for them. And they are scared to go out of their comfort zones and go to their courage zones. They don't know what's going to happen or if they're able to fully commit to the sacrifices and hard work needed. They are so afraid and they don't know if they can handle that change. So they don't buy not because they don't believe in you, but because they don't believe in themselves. So what do? Tell them what happens if they don't buy. What does it cost them if they don't take action? What does it cost them in terms of pain, frustration, and money if they don't buy now? When they have that contrast, that comparison, if the pain is great enough, when they hit that tipping point, they'll say, screw that. I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna take action. I need to move. I need to do something. And when they hit that tipping point, amazingly, people who cannot afford it, they will find a way. People who don't know how, they will find a way. They'll be creative enough, they will dig deep, resources will appear, money will show up. Think about that. Now, I'd like to give you a bonus secret. I promised you 13, but let me share the advanced copywriting secret number 14. One sentence persuasion. People will do anything for those who can encourage their dreams, justify their failures, allay their fears, confirm their suspicions, and help them throw rocks at their enemies. People would buy if you can do those things for them. There is a book I want to recommend solely focusing on this, and it is called One Sentence Persuasion. It is available on Amazon. Get that amazing book. You now know more about copywriting than 99% of people out there. Is this everything you need to know? No, but this is a strong foundation. You need to practice. You can watch all 14 advanced copywriting secrets again and again, But if you don't implement, you don't practice, it will not do you any good. I want you to implement this and get results. But don't worry, I'll share more tips about copywriting along the way. But for now, start implementing what I share with you. It may not be perfect right away, but keep doing it. Demand more from yourself than anyone else could. I'll share more tips and strategies to you on how to make money online on my next videos. And until then, thank you for watching. Bye for now.